Hi guys, my name is Sai and in this video I'm going to talk about how to do clear data of any application on iPhone. As we know that iPhone don't have any option to do clear data of any app like Android, but if we don't do that, so after period of time our iPhone storage is going to full because app data taking lot of storage. So how can we clear that storage? I will tell you in this video. Also I will tell you how can we free up storage of iPhone by removing unwanted things from iPhone. Okay, but before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay, let's move on the process, but before move on the process, I will show you what is my iPhone storage presently and how many storage is filled. So as we can see, 128 GB is my actual iPhone storage, and as we can see 60 to 70% of storage is full, and 60% of storage is taken by apps. Oh my god, I am not installed this heavy apps. Just my I'm installed a limited apps and which is useful apps, and but here it is, it taking a lot of storage. Okay, let's talking about how we can free up storage removing by unwanted things. So as we can see, if we delete anything, so delete from recently deleted option, because if you deleted videos or photos, so it will go on bin. I mean it go on recently deleted bin. So simply delete it, then it will give you a lot of storage by removing that deleted stuff. Okay, now talking about second thing, if you don't use unwanted apps, then remove it. So you can click the enable second option. So if you enable this offload unused apps, then it will remove unused apps automatically, but I'm not going to enable that option because my some apps are very important, which is I am used some of the times. Okay, now talking about third option, the third option is, as we can see, this is VN app, and here it is, we can see 55.4 GB is used. This is said that document and data is present on my VN application, but I don't have any data on my VN application. I mean a lot of tempered stuff is present, which because I am a YouTuber, so I am edit lot of videos, so that stuff is present on that VN application. That tempered stuff is present on that VN application. So not like VN application, most of the application contains a lot of data, because when we using the apps, then it will store the unwanted stuff data. So cleaning that data is not possible in iPhone, but it is possible on Android. But we can do on iPhone in different way. For example, you see my VN application, my iPhone VN application contains taking 55 GB of data. So how can I clean that particular data? So simply I am going to uninstall VN application. So I again reinstall VN application, and let's see how much storage it will taking. But before going to do that, first of all, if you have any important data, like I have projects, so I already this projects are saved in my gallery. So if I uninstall this VN application, it will not going to be deleted. So note that point. Take the whole backup of your apps. I mean take the, if any projects are present, if you are a WhatsApp user, then you backup the chats on drive, then you can uninstall WhatsApp, like same like that other applications. So note this point. Like some other applications which we don't need to take backup, like YouTube, Snapchat, other Instagram, or whatever we use, that application is used and store the tempered data. So we can uninstall that application. After uninstalling, the whole data is cleared, and after installing freshly, we can use that application by freshly login, right? So is here it is, we can see VN application taking 55 point something 4 GB of data. So I'm going to uninstall this VN application and again reinstall this application, and let's see how much data actually it will take. I mean, if I am going to uninstall, okay, I am uninstall this application. After that, if I reinstall this application, so as we can see, I am uninstall VN application. As we can see, the data 55 GB is cleaned, free. Oh my god, that one VN application taking 55 GB. That means my 60% of my storage it consumes. So after uninstalling VN application, that whole storage is cleaned, free, but the actual app size is 300 MB, near 296, whatever, 300 MB of VN application app. So I'm again going to install that application. So what you do, the apps which consumes a lot of data in document and data section, simply uninstall that applications and reinstall that application and login again, and it will start from fresh, start that application from fresh, and you can free up your unwanted storage. Because if I uninstall this application, so this is not affect my data, because my data is already saved on my cloud storage. For example, if I using WhatsApp, if I using Instagram, Snapchat, this all data are stored on their cloud. So why I worried about uninstalling these apps? So don't worry about to uninstall this app, just uninstall that apps and reinstall that apps, and it will free your whole storage, not whole but 50% of storage cleaned with this trick. So as we can see, now the document and data taking only 156.7 MB and actual app size is 296.7 MB. So the app size is 296.7 MB, but the data were stored, the tempered data is stored, a lot of tempered data is consuming our iPhone storage. So this is the reason, just uninstall those applications which contains a lot of data and freshly reinstall that applications, like I do with my VN application, and I free my 55 GB. Oh my god. Same like that, you can uninstall those applications which, if you are worried about your data, so simply clean those applications which don't contain logins, like YouTube, Chrome, music players, or like VN application. So do the Zapier, file sharing application. So do this all things on that applications. Okay, so this is the video without wiping any internal storage, without doing format data of iPhone. Just I clean my 60% of storage, just uninstall that application and reinstall that application. So this is the trick you can do, so you can get a free storage. Okay, so this is the trick. Okay, if you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.